guys, it's Anita here from Asian Bride Makeup. I hope you're well. I am doing my very first beauty bite-sized video tutorials. So, what is beauty bite-sized video tutorials? Well, it's exactly what it is. It's short, very quick, simple video tutorials that you can scroll through. Probably I'm going to try and squeeze it down to about 10-15 minutes if I can. Viewers on how to do specific things in terms of makeup. They may not want to learn how to do a full face makeup, so sitting through a video tutorial to do a full glam makeover or any particular makeover, it might be too much time consuming for them. So that's why these video tutorials are created so you can pick and choose the elements of what bits you want to learn yourself and then adjust it to yourself. So I hope you like them. Today is the very first episode. I will be showing you how to do something that is really always requested from my customers, from my viewers, which is covering up these eye bags. Please let me know if there's anything specific that you want to learn, whether it's eyeliner, whether it's eyebrows. It's all ideas. I want to produce content that is valuable for you guys and what you want to learn. So do please send me your DMs and let me know what you want me to cover. Why do we get them? Well, there's many different reasons. It could be any one of them, or it could be all of them. Number one, which is probably more relevant to me, is the reason why I get them is because when I was young, I used to rub my eyes a lot, and I had probably damaged all the capillaries, or some of them at least, underneath my eye area. So that's why they are broken capillaries, which can cause eye bags. Other reasons why you would get eye bags is lack of sleep, dehydration, not drinking enough water, not having your fruit and veg. So all these things can affect the quality of your skin underneath your eye, and it could just be hereditary. So for me, my bags obviously are under here. I have a lot of darkness under here. I have tanned quite a lot because I've been in the sun, and I've become very bronzy, so I don't know whether my current concealer is going to cover this properly, because it's not the colour that, obviously I wasn't this colour when I bought the concealers. Okay, so we're going to start now. So the first thing you want to apply is eye cream. I am using my Body Shop Drops of Youth eye cream. Anything that is hydrating, because you want to create a good base for your concealer to sit on and your eye to be nourished. So I am going to do only one eye because I want to show you the difference. And this is just to colour correct and conceal properly. It's not a full glam, so I won't be doing any highlighting or those crazy triangles that you normally see. I am just doing colour correcting. In fact, I'm going to do it in the other eye because the lighting is better on this side. So I'm actually going to work on this eye. Just quickly applying this. So always apply eye cream, or whatever your eye cream is. Eye cream is really, really important. So like I said, it acts as a base. It acts as a base, but also it gives you a good moisturizing, because when you start layering on products, it does dry out the eye area. So the first product you want to apply is a color corrector. Now with color correctors, you have to apply a color corrector that is suitable for your skin color. So for me, I am quite tanned, I'm quite dark, bronzy. With most Asian women, our undertones are yellow, so we need to go for color correctors that are orange or peachy or salmony color. So depending on what tone you are, you need to pick a color corrector that is suitable for your skin color. For me, because I am quite tanned and quite bronzed, I go for more of a deeper salmon/orange colour. But if you are on the fair side, then you want to go for a lighter peach colour. If you are quite fair and you have redness in your skin, it doesn't have to be underneath your eye area, it can be anywhere around your face. If you have red patches or redness on your eye, then you want to use a green colour corrector. If you have quite sallow and thin skin, where you can see all your capillaries and veins through. My skin's not that thin, but the eye area sometimes can tend to be thin. But if you are quite fair skinned and you have thin skin, then you want to use a purple or a lavender color corrector. So the first thing I'm going to apply is my Nip and Fab color corrector. This is number 3 terracotta. So like I said, if you are more tanned or bronzier, then you want to use a color corrector that is a more salmony or a darker peach orangey color. So I'm just going to apply this here. You want to apply this just in the dark areas of your eye. And it doesn't just have to be your eye, it could be like with Asian women or just women in general that have darkness around the eye mouth area as well. So this is really good for that as well. So wherever you want to cancel out the darkness, you want to apply your color corrector in that area. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a fluffy brush to kind of flick outwards and just kind of spread it lightly across the whole area. So I'm just going to get my mirror, sorry. And it's very gentle strokes. And what I'm doing, I'm just going to just spread it out a little bit on the top and across as well. And already you can see what I mean by cancelling, because that's exactly what it's done. I'm just using circular motions now to make sure that it is properly blended out. Yeah, perfect. So that's the colour corrector. Now you can go in and do your concealer. Now a lot of people ask me, is it concealer or is it foundation first? Depends on the kind of look that you want to cover. If you're doing like a more of a natural look, then you might want to start off with foundation and then just top up with a concealer if you wanted to, if you felt like you still needed it. With me, I know I have quite dark circles, so I tend to use concealer first and then I'll apply foundation if I need it on top. The concealer that I'm going to use is my Fenty concealer. So there's loads of concealers out there. I tend to go for more of a creamy concealer because my under eye area is generally darker, so I use these particular concealers. I've got this, the Revolution, Fenty and MAC Pro Longwear. So like I said, I'm just going to apply my Fenty Beauty. Just going to apply it there. That's it. And then I'm just going to, again, same motion, just spread it across. And in circular motions, just putting that over and just sharing it out to the rest of my face. I want it to give more of a natural coverage, but enough coverage. Now for those people that when they do concealers, I do get a lot of customers who say they can't conceal properly. They can still see it. The trick is you have to keep layering it on top, but you do have to apply a colour corrector. It's not going to work if you don't apply a colour corrector. It's the only way to cancel it out, and with the darkness anyway. And already you can see this whole area is more brighter and more lighter than this area on the side that I haven't got anything on. So I'm quite happy with that because if this was a normal going out to do my regular Tesco run, then you know, I'm quite happy with that. I wouldn't apply more, but you can do. It just depends on how conscious you are with your under eye area. I might apply a little bit, just a little bit more. And again, same thing, just spread it across. And what I'm doing is just to blend it out a little bit so it looks a little bit natural as well. I'm just blending it downwards. You can also use a beauty blender as well if you feel like you need a beauty blender. I have got a beauty blender somewhere. Where is it? Okay. I have got a beauty blender as well. So you can use a beauty blender as well. Okay. And from here, what I would normally do is I would apply my foundation and face powder and all of that. Because I obviously don't have it, so I'm just spreading out the product. And actually, if I was going out as well, and normally I would just want to cover my eye area. If I was doing a quick errand to the shops and I didn't want to do a full face makeup, I would just do this. So there you go. Just to recap, eye cream. Apply a good eye cream. I use the Body Shop Drops of Youth eye cream gel. Following that, you want to apply a colour corrector. I use the Nip and Fab Terracotta colour corrector. And after then, you want to apply your concealer. I applied the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer on top of that. And just to cover, just to set it, you want to do your foundation and then your face powder. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know what you thought of that, and if you would like me to cover any particular areas of makeup, skincare, anything I can help with, do let me know and I will do a quick video tutorial for you. So until then, thank you so much for watching, and do keep me posted on your thoughts, your suggestions, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.